Can we do this again?
All right, we are going to check out Bugs Land before it goes away. Because I think it's, September 4th is the last day. Days away. This is it. Bugs Land is leaving. Well, but they have to have the, Flix Flyers is going to be moved to one of the neighborhoods over at Pixar Pier. So,
No. It's not being moved. It's a new ride.
Being repurposed?
No,
wait,
it's this new ride. It's not about Brian. I think you mean this new ride.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
New ride.
Oh, look at the waterfalls. Well, they're not important. They're not going anywhere. All right, so we've got to go. Over here, look, the sign's still there. Bugs Land is still here. Okay, so Bugs Land, it's a place for bugs. I think let's go in here and bug out for a little bit. Okay, so Bugs Land. Oh, look how fitting. Look. Bye. But we're just entering though, but look how fitting that was. It is going goodbye. It's goodbye right now. This is it. This is our goodbyes.
Our goodbyes forever.
Look, they've already got.
Oh, look, they brought back the caterpillar farm thing. Remember when California first opened?
Oh, wait. Look, it's going to be behind the wall there. Just right behind the wall. You can see that.
They brought back
the original, the little farm thing they had back here. There was a farm. Oh, yeah, I'll show you a picture of that. There was right in here, before it was Bugs Land, it was some farm thing. Okay, so it was right here next to this blue building for a reference here. A blue wall. I don't know if that's a building, but it's a wall from a building, maybe. So, yeah. I recognize a little tractor looking thing in there, I think. But anyway, this is being refurbished for future. It's being refurbished for future enjoyment.
I think they mean not refurbished. I think they mean exterminated.
Exterminate. I like it. That was good. All right. Before the pest control comes and wipes out the area here and gets rid of all the varmint and insects and creepy crawlies and arachnoids and aphids? Wait, that's a type of bug. But anyway, the ants and grasshoppers. Well, they can exterminate the grasshoppers, I guess. I don't think Flick will mind. But wait, Flick is getting evicted. Where's he gonna go? I think he's getting.
Oh, is he moving to the
He's moving to Florida, isn't he?
He's moving to the pier, isn't he? He has
Flick is. I thought he wasn't moving to the pier.
He has a couple faces and stuff in the pier.
He's gonna go to one of those neighborhoods. I don't know, those rich neighborhoods on the pier, I think. Yeah. But wait, we have been shrunk down. We're walking through a box of animal crackers or circus animals or circus cookies. Whatever. It was. It won't be for long.
What?
Hey, look.
You won't be wrong forever.
Look, bug butts. Bug butts. They're not going. I mean, they're fireflies that aren't lit up right now. But look at that tower. The tower will still be there. Never mind. That'll still be there. We're just admiring all the little shade. Now, you know how Disney is really good at repurposing everything. How much you want to bet they don't want to pull all this out? They're going to repurpose this.
Well, what everyone was saying was that it's doing exactly the same. Just have some Ant-Man figures everywhere.
Now, what I've heard is right over here. Oh, look! It's the what's that called over there? No, it's Flix Flyers here, but what's it going to be called over there? What?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, there's the new rethemed Flix Flyers. Well, Flix Flyers now. Here it is, Paradise Pier, pre-refurbishment. And look, it's Mater's Bug Jamboree. Well, you know, it's pretty much like the same thing. Actually, you know what though? This was really fun. And I say
Really?
was because yes. Have you not ridden it?
I have ridden it. It's kind of like teacup, like a.
No, you
sedated
don't spin
teacup.
it.
Exactly, you don't spin it. It's like sedated teacup. You kind of sit.
But it's like Mater's Junkyard Jamboree, but like little fun.
It's kinda like-
it's a shorter track.
It's kind of like teacups, but we can't spin it.
Well, by the time you see this, maybe this was a shorter track. But it's fun. Look at the adults going on. See?
I think
They have
I
fun.
think they're being dragged on with the kids.
Well, you know. Look, I'm kind of glad they're getting rid of this because this is like, let's see, I don't
You
know.
can walk faster than this.
Well, way faster. I mean, I could crawl faster
they're
than
like
that.
knockoff bumper cars. Bumper cars are right knockoff.
Yeah, it's like if they're gonna make bumper cars, make them bump. I mean, these things are like
Well, actually, they get
drive
mad.
them buggies.
They get mad at you if you.
I think so. They're not really bumper cars. Look. This is one thing I will not miss. I don't think anybody will. Look, oh, that lady got whiplash there. That was such a hard impact. I don't know. Look at how busy. It's busy today. Look at the line.
Wow.
Oh, wait, that's the exit. Oh, where's the line? Where? Oh, 4 people? Oh, that's busy still. I mean, that looks so exciting.
There's people that's busy.
You're right. There won't be people for long. Oh, an area to cool off. And weren't we thirsty? Yeah, we need to get something to drink.
No, we have to go to.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, sorry. So this area here is what I was getting to earlier. This area here, I think, is going to be expanded out right ahead.
That's what I was thinking too.
And it's going to go kind of the side and kind of in the back.
Yes.
This is going to be the future Marvel area, and it's going to actually go way back. So this is just going to be a part of it here in the
What I
front.
was hearing was that back here is going to be a new roller coaster show building.
Which here?
Yeah, behind here. I think it was Spider-Man roller coaster.
Oh. So, I think though, when we we'll be doing a video on Tomorrowland pretty soon, but not tomorrow. But it will have. Though I heard they're getting a new roller coaster that's gonna kind of tear out the People Mover track because as much as we love it, it ain't coming back. Sorry, it's just that the whole, you know, it's because of rocket rods. The whole thing's tore up and unstable. You know, the whole pillars and everything. They need to be tore out and redone anyway. They're going to be getting rid of the Autopia. Autopia is gone.
Where did you get that?
Oh, Autopia and the Star Wars launch bay is getting torn out.
That's not enough room for Tron yet. I still
No. Launch bay
Okay.
and the whole Autopia is getting ripped out, and the submarines. And they're moving it back a little farther to the back too. So they're going to expand. But that is after the new Fantasyland, which is going to be started right after Star Wars Land opens. By the way, they're always expanding and growing to Disneyland and tearing down and rebuilding and retheming areas.
What I heard, what I read online was that Fantasyland's going to get an expansion out into the Fantasyland Theater.
Yeah, they're because they're taking that down.
Because, you know,
That's first.
Believe it or not, the Fantasyland Theater is the only place where Mickey hasn't got his updated head yet.
Well, like when Mr. Toad goes away, people aren't going to get mad.
Oh, people get mad, but not as mad as touching.
People are like, Casey, I mean, they're like, we're not losing Mr. Toads. When Fantasyland gets redone, they have no idea where it's going because it ain't going to be there.
Mr. Toads isn't popular enough.
It's not. I know people love it. It's
Casey
just-
Jr. has the Dumbo movie coming. You cannot touch it. You
Right.
touch it, people will get pissed. And
Oh,
you'll
yeah.
lose money. Japanese.
Okay, well, no, it's all good. Rumors of other places while we were in Bugs Land, because did we really pay attention to Bugs Land, to be honest? Really? Did we just kind of walk around and talk about other places? Yeah, that's all we did. Because that's how much it really... Now some of you would be like, but Bugs Land is gone! No one really... You know what the problem is? They get mad when it's removed, but when it's here, you don't go visit it. But then when they take it away from you, then you're upset. And then you think to yourself, though, were you really there? Did you really enjoy it? Did you really go there all the time? If the answer's no, then there's no reason to get upset. Disneyland is constantly growing and changing, and we should all be proud of the fact that they're doing that and updating it for us. Anyway, let's go off to the next area.